Before switching to forward-facing, make sure your baby is at least 14 pounds, around 5 months or older, and their chin clears the front panel. First, use the color-coded size chart to find the right setting for your baby's height. Then match the Velcro tabs on both sides to the same color. Set the head and neck support panel in the lowered position, so baby's head and neck are free to move comfortably. Make sure the seat is set to outward facing by moving both sliders inward for a narrower seat. Loosen the shoulder straps so the carrier is ready to put on. Keep the buckles fastened or unbuckle if needed. Wrap the waist belt at your natural waist, a little higher if you have a smaller baby. Buckle it, making sure the buckle sits under the safety strap and the webbing feeds out over the top. Rotate the belt so the buckle sits at your back, then tighten the straps by pulling them out and away from your body until it feels snug and supportive. Hold baby facing away from you, and bring the carrier panel up around them, keeping one hand on baby at all times. Make sure baby is sitting in the seat, not on the panel. Guide them into the seat with their legs in a comfortable spread and support under their thighs. For H straps, bring both straps over your shoulders one at a time while keeping one hand on baby. Once baby feels secure, reach behind and clip the buckle at the back of your neck. For X straps, bring one strap over your shoulder, switch hands while keeping one hand on baby, then reach across your body and clip it to the opposite side. Repeat on the other side. Reposition baby by rotating their hips so their knees sit higher than their bottom, creating an M shape. The baby should be centered and their thighs should feel supported from knee to knee. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.S check. Make sure baby is tight, upright, and close to your body. In view at all times, and close enough to kiss. Their chin should stay clear of their chest and the top panel so their airway stays open. Baby should have strong head and neck control, with legs supported freely and comfortably. Forward facing is best for short periods when your baby is alert and engaged.